Hello, everybody! We just finished Cannes Film Festival, red carpets. Day, minamadali nila ako, day. They were rushing me on the red carpet, but the best thing about today, after being rushed on the red carpet, I only had 20 seconds on the red carpet today. At the end of the red carpet, I met Angelina Jolie. And not only did I meet Angelina Jolie, she also told me that I look gorgeous tonight. So, ayun. Deadma na sa red carpet. As long as makakuha tayo ng feel of validation kay, kahit na feeling ko sinabi niya lang yun out of parang compulsory niya lang sinabi. Okay lang sa akin kahit hindi, she doesn't mean it. As long as galing sa kanya, okay na ako doon. How does it feel to be complimented by the Angelina Jolie? Girl. Girl. When I tell you that lahat ng pagod ko, all of my worries, all of my stress, my anxiety went out of the building, that I was gorgeous tonight. Like, in this life, in this timeline, how many people has she spoken? So yeah. We did that, girlies. FB10. Ano yung FB10? Thank you, Sir Raho. And sobrang labo ba ngayon ng live ko? O okay na? Let me know. Pag hindi pa okay, magre-restart ako ng Wi-Fi. But, girls, Sir Raho, hello. I was wearing Raho Archival for the second day of red carpet when I met Angelina Jolie. Hala, wait lang. Ayan. Is this better? Is this better? Is the signal better? Anyways. She saw me. Miss Angelina Jolie. Oh! As in, kanina sobrang disappointed ako kasi sobrang minamadali kami sa red carpet. Hindi ako nakakuha ng magandang shots and everything for the second look. And also, hindi dumating yung dress ko that I was supposed to wear on the first day. And we were expecting na dumating siya ng second day, pero wala. So, wala talaga akong isusuot. Thank God, Sir Raho Laurel is here to save the day. At meron akong baon na archival piece ni Sir Raho na dapat isusuot ko sa after party. But at least I was able to wear something on the red carpet today. And it's equally gorgeous. And I also met Angelina Jolie. So like, Ayun. And also shout out to Mark Baumgartner and Sir Earl and Michelle and everyone at Team Mark Baumgartner for making me feel good and look good and making history with me last night at the first red carpet that I did. I am happy to be the first Filipina drag queen, probably the first Asian drag queen to walk on Cannes Film Festival red carpet, which is very iconic. I wish I had more moments with the dress on the red carpet, but the crowd is something that we really can't control. But not bad for my first time. Who knows, maybe next time talagang meron akong sariling moment for all the dress. But I am really, really, really happy with how everyone was complimenting me with the looks that I brought on the red carpet yesterday and today. So thank you so much, Mark Baumgartner, Earl, Michelle, and Saraho, and to all the designers that we collaborated with during this trip kasi gagawin namin siyang Cannes Fashion Week. So abangan niyo yung mga content namin. Yeah, I'm really, really, really happy. And on top of that, kahit na minadali ako today sa red carpet, I was able to meet the Angelina Jolie. And for her to say that I look gorgeous tonight is like the highlight of my career. Wala ka bang plano nakitain si LGT? Pupunta ako ng Paris. Magkikita kami doon. Yes, mag-reunion kami. How does it feel to get a compliment from the one and only Angelina Jolie? Honestly, it feels surreal, and I'm beyond words. And well deserved, baby. Well deserved, why not, diba? At ngayon, naglilipit ako dahil binilan ako ni Ate Jess ng bulalo, nilagang baka.
Kare-kare.
Yung kare-kare hindi ko tatry dahil alam kong peanut butter ang nilagay nila.
Yes.
No.
Pero meron din tayong menudo.
May menudo din, pero kare-kare no, kasi yung family ko has the best kare-kare at di kami gumagamit ng peanut butter. So, very purist ako. Anyways, tonight is my last night in Cannes. So, ano gagawin natin tonight? Pa-party ba? May party ba? Wow, pumarty. And then tomorrow, I'm going to Montpellier tomorrow to do my show on Sunday. Sunday, diba? Ang 18?
Yes.
Yes, Sunday. Ata.
Yes, it is.
And then on the 19th, I'm going to Paris for a quick vacation before my shows in Lisbon and Paris on the 23rd and 24th. Ayun. Your makeup is so soft lately. Honestly, hindi. Makapal siya in person, pero on camera, medyo light siya. So, I think I'll keep it this way for quite some time. Kasi in person, makapal siya. Pero, on camera, love you guys. Please show some love sa lahat ng mga pinapost namin. Kasi, daming gastos. Will you go back to Italy? When are you going to Spain? I hope matuloy. I hope my trip to Spain this next week pushes through. I hope so. I hope I get to visit you in Madrid. We're just waiting on the confirmation of the thingy. So if it pushes through, then I'll see you in Madrid. Marina, pinabunot kong ngipin ko. Ang gagawin ko? Gagawin natin. Padala mo sa akin, gawin ko keychain. Ganda yung clips. Ha? Ano? Yung red carpet, no? Grabe, as in. Wala talaga. Hindi man lang ako nagka-moment. Tapos pagkaakyat ko, pinaalis agad ako. Gusto kong gumano, no? No. Ayun, pag-akyat ko, pinaalis agad ako. Ayun, anyways. Work the World, I might not be able to join Work the World now. I hope they announce it, cause, I think that's the plan. I don't think they will put I don't think I'll push through it. Work in the world, US.
Ito siya. Hindi ko papalit sa kanya. Kaya
Papalis ba? Lumalas ka dyan. Ang galing mo na rin. Lumalas ka dyan.
Ano yan? Asan?
Yung mga ano ba, yung mga staff. Sabi mo.
Grabe. Tingnan mo, kakaakyat ko palang pinapaalis na ako. Oh.
Kasi madami talaga, kasi madami tao.
nung tumawag ko sa'yo, walang laman.
Oo.
Pero nakuhanan pa kita doon sa taas, sandali. Ayun, no?
Okay na yan. Okay lang, at least nasabihan ako ni Angelina Jolie na ang ganda ko.
I took a picture. Ang ganda.
Yes. Okay lang. Anyways, that's all. Thank you so much, guys. And then I'll see you guys very soon in Montpellier. Tama? Montpellier? Montpellier. Montpellier. Pilier. Montpellier. Parang pilyo, pero pilier. Montpellier. I'll see you in Montpellier. How's the red carpet today? Stressful. They didn't give us time today on the red carpet because it's so star-studded. And yeah. But I must say, I had the best compliment from Angelina Jolie today. So I'm still not over it. I'm gonna make that my personality for the next couple of months because are you really pretty? If Angelina Jolie didn't say you're gorgeous, can you actually consider yourself gorgeous if it didn't come from Angelina Jolie? I mean, I don't know. It's just me. That's just me. That's just me. Yeah. Anyways, goodbye, and I'll get ready for the night out. See ya.